Next, you'll see in the plan that we have two other door types, a 1510 by 2110 and a 1410 by 2110. So if I go to the door tool type selector, you'll see in the internal door types, they don't exist right now. What we need to do is we need to bring those doors in from our library. So to do that, we'll go to Load Family. Then we'll scroll down to our Doors folder. We have 4 different subfolders. There's our door ironmongery, so that is our doorknobs, hinges, and so on. Next are the external doors. There's our internal door folder. So if we double click on the internal doors, and if I select the top one, use the arrow keys, you can see in the preview of the different types of doors that we have. If you don't have these in your library, it's probably best to look back and make sure that you have installed your library correctly, because they should be there once you load in the UK library. So the door that I'm going to insert is a double door. So here we have got 8 options, 1 to 8. You can choose any one of those 1 to 8. The actual type itself is not important as long as it's a double door. So you have the option there to go from 1 to 8. I'm just going to stick with 1. Once we have the door selected, press open, and you'll now notice it's in my type selector. So if I hit the drop down arrow, there's my doors internal double 1, and I've got 2 different types, 1510 and 1810. So I'm going to select the 1510, and if you refer to the PDF, they're represented by the number 2. So wherever we have the number 2 is where we're going to have those doors. So we've got one here and one on the curve. Escape to finish. So this one here is 700 from the column, and the other is just in the center.